Alright, this is my final pack of Exquisite. And like I said, I'm pretty satisfied with what I've gotten so far. Hope you guys enjoyed the break. I look forward to, I don't know what I'm going to get into next. And I have a feeling it'll be a while from now, but either way, I enjoyed it. Last pack here. Alright, first card is Manu Ginobili, or Ginobili as the video games say. Then we got Rockets, rookie of Aaron Brooks, number to 225. Nice leather patch. I can't say this case had some pretty good patches in it. Real nice patches. Here's another limited logos of Shannon Brown, number 22 of 50. Really nice. Limited logo. And then we have a dual autograph of Bill Laimbeer and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Nice. Finalist Exquisite. And that is number to 25, I believe. Yeah, number 8 of 25. Nice. And then finally a base card of Andre Miller. Well, again, I enjoyed this case. Hope you did, and I'll catch you on another video. Alright, bye.